Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to fit a bonnet bra onto your car or van. Today I'm fitting onto a Volkswagen Caddy Maxi, which is exactly the same for any car or van. These are perfect for protecting your bonnet against stone chips or scratches, and it just makes the van look so much better. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the bonnet's nice and clean before you put the bonnet protector on. So you need to make sure it's all dry before you put the bonnet protector on. So the next step is to pop your bonnet. Let's just do that underneath here. So if you've got another person, it does help, and as you can see, this is the back end, so it's got those sections there for the water jets, so you know that's at the back, so that'll go on the back on the other side and pull over the top. So the best way is to work from the back forward, so I would just hang the front on like that, and then pull this back edge down over the back end, like so. So just work your way around, pulling it over the top. And you can just adjust it as you go. So just pull it round as you go. There you go. And then just work your way around, pulling that tighter. So this is how it's looking on the back side. And you've got to remember that all the creases will disappear once the fabric is heated up by the engine bay. And then about a month or two, you'll have to re-tighten it, and that'll pull the creases out even more. So the next step is to get the ties, and then you're going to tie this onto the back of it and pull it nice and tight. So you start here, tie it off, then pull it up, then go through the side here, up to this one, and then you do a crisscross pattern across, and that'll make sure it's nice and tight. So you want to make sure this first one is nice and tight because you don't want that one coming off. So once you've tied that off, you then want to pull it through the other loops, so you do it in this order. You want to crisscross it to make sure it's nice and tight, so through that one first, then up through this one, pulling that one through. Then you want to go down into this one next. Tight, then up to the top, then down to the bottom one here, up to the top again. Again, put it nice and tight. Then you want to go down to this one, then over to the side here, and up to this one here. And make sure you pull that all tight. Make sure you pull tension on it, and that'll pull it all through. And then once that's done, you then need to tie it off. Just keep pulling that through. Pull the tension through there. And then what you want to do is then tie it off in the centre there. Make sure you pull the tension on that. So again, you don't want to do this too tight because you are going to have to undo it in the future when you readjust it. So just make sure you keep tension on that. Then you want to get rid of any of the loose here so it doesn't drop into the engine. So that easy, you can just loop that round like so, and then you can tie that off at the end. There you go. So the next step is to close your bonnet down. Just look at any final adjustments. Might be a few creases on there, but they will get adjusted in time. Pop that down. As the engine heats up, it will stretch that and it'll get rid of the creases, and then you can readjust it. So now I'm going to show you a tip to get rid of some of the creases. You want to get some warm water in a bottle and a cloth, and simply just dab that cloth with the warm water and work it into the bonnet bra. So the warm water is going to work onto that material, and it's just going to help heat it up and just get rid of some of those creases. It's not going to be perfect, but it's just going to help a little bit before you drive it. But ideally what's going to happen is that when you drive it, the engine's going to heat up. It's going to heat up your bonnet, and then that's going to heat up the bonnet bra, and then that'll pull all the creases out of the material. And then what you're going to have to do is open your bonnet and then just readjust the bonnet bra. So it'll get a bit loose, so you have to pull it a bit tight again, and then it'll fit perfectly. So that'll probably happen in maybe 2 to 4 weeks once it's heated up a couple of times. But there you go guys, that's how you fit a bonnet bra. I hope this video has helped, and I'll see you in the next video.